Hi guys, welcome to Eat East Indian channel, and today I'm going to share with you recipe for delicious Balti chicken curry which has been requested by Colleen from Italy, username CTIG10. So let's head in the kitchen and start cooking this yummy, flavorful Indian curry. A quick look at our ingredients for Balti chicken. Here I have tomato puree of 2 tomatoes, 300 grams of boneless chicken chunks, onions 2 large, cut in small pieces, 2-inch piece of ginger, cut in small pieces, 3-4 garlic cloves, cut in small pieces, and 1 small green chili. For spices we will be using red chili powder, half a teaspoon, turmeric powder, haldi 1 teaspoon, salt should be as per taste, garam masala powder half a teaspoon, black pepper half a teaspoon, and we have here cinnamon sticks which we will be using, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that's jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 2 green cardamom. So I have taken the seeds out of green cardamom, so 2 green cardamom seeds. And in my wok here I have 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to fry my spices in this. In a 3 tablespoons of hot oil we are adding our whole spices. They are sizzling right away, so we'll go ahead and add onions, ginger, garlic and green chilies, and we are going to fry our spices along with onions. We want our onions to be golden brown, and in our onions we are going to add turmeric 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon red chili powder, and we are going to add salt, black pepper and garam masala in the end. Keep stirring your onions to make sure that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now because I'm making Balti chicken curry, I'm going to make a paste out of this mixture. If I was making dry Balti chicken, I would have gone ahead and added my chicken right in this beautiful spicy frenzy. So I'm going to take this mixture out and make a blend out of it. We'll let it cool down and then we'll make a blend out of it like a curry sauce, curry base. Now while your onion mixture is cooling, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok and add the chicken and seal it. Fry your chicken, let it get white on all the sides, and then turn off the heat and set it aside. So we have made a blend out of onions and other spices. We had added half a cup of water, so you can add more or less water depending on how thick or thin you want your curry to be. Now in our chicken pieces we'll go ahead and add our onion paste. Lovely. We'll add our tomato puree, and we'll let our chicken simmer in this spicy goodness for 10-15 minutes until the curry dries out a little bit and chicken is thoroughly cooked. And then we are going to season it. Our gorgeous Balti chicken curry is ready. Just the last part, we are going to add salt, should be as per taste. So salt in, half a teaspoon of garam masala, add black pepper powder, half a teaspoon, and garnish it with some cilantro leaves. You can go ahead and serve it with rice, with chapati, with naan, with parantha. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe video, and I will see you soon with something more exciting, so do stay tuned.